Manuela. A lot of variety. The nature is very beautiful. It has been very good so far. The people are very well.
Hello, sir.
How are you?
Fine, thanks. How are you? This white and the good weather. Very good here because I think it's one of the most beautiful nature in the.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम नाजरीन, आप देख रहे हैं GB ट्रू न्यूज़ और मैं हूं आसिफ माजानी। नाजरीन, जन्नत नज़ीर गिलगित बल्तिस्तान में इस वक्त हम मौजूद है कतपना कोल्ड डेजर्ट। यहाँ पर फॉरेन कंट्री से कुछ टूरिस्ट आए हैं, हम इनसे बातचीत करते हैं। हेलो सर।
Hello, sir.
हाउ आर यू?
Fine, thanks. How are you?
Your good name?
Jonas from Switzerland.
How are you feeling here? What's your experience here?
I feel very good because it's a beautiful place, you know, in the middle of these high mountains between Karakoram and Himalaya. It's just amazing. One of the highest deserts in the world. This white and the good weather, the sand. It's really beautiful to be up here. Yes.
So which tourist point you visit and how you feel to go there, and what you say about the nature of Gilgit-Baltistan?
I feel very good here because I think it's one of the most beautiful nature in the world, and this hospitality of the people is very good. So we feel very welcome to be here. We love to be in Pakistan, especially in Gilgit-Baltistan. Yes, it's very comfortable climate as well, so it's not too hot. So yes, I like it very much.
What will you give a message foreign country people and Gilgit-Baltistan people, Pakistan people?
You have huge potential for tourism, especially international. So I will promote it in Switzerland as well or in Europe. And I'm certain you have potential for international tourism because it's so beautiful. Yeah, and you are so hospitable, you people.
Thank you so much.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine, and you?
Your good name?
Manuela.
So what do you say about this beauty of Gilgit-Baltistan?
It's a lot of variety. The nature is very beautiful and the mountains are absolutely high. I'm impressed by everything.
What do you say? What's your experience here, Gilgit-Baltistan?
It has been very good so far. The people are very welcoming and they are happy to have us here, and we really appreciate that. Also, the places we visited were just incredible, and we are happy to be here.
How many days are you here?
We are here already 10 days, and we will be 7 more days.
7 more days. Which tourist point would you visit next 7 days?
We are heading to Islamabad, and on the way back to Islamabad we want to go to see other places, but we haven't decided yet where to go.
What would you want to give a message our people, a foreigner, also people?
I would address them to come here because the nature is really beautiful. The people are nice, the food is absolutely delicious, and it's worth to visit.
Thank you so much.